Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Trading Basics. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Coinbase account number. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now talking about account number into your Coinbase, the Coinbase don't have any account number. Means all the tutorials, YouTube videos showing the account number of your Coinbase is actually fake, and some people also do that. Just select any of the cryptocurrency into your Coinbase, and after that copy this link of any of the cryptocurrency and show it as the account details or address or numbers. But that's not it. Coinbase doesn't have any account number and you cannot see it and check it. If anyone is telling that you have a Coinbase account number or you can see it, it's fake. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future updates like this. Thank you for watching the video.